Hello everyone, Justin here again, and today we are going to be drawing a skier, in this case a ski patroller, and I'll be using a red pen. So first off, I'll go ahead and mark down my basic shapes, make sure that all my angles are correct, and I make it look like there's a lot of motion just because the person is skiing. And then that's when I'll go ahead and start putting in more of the details, kind of clarifying certain things, adding more details on the jacket, the folds, and just fine tune everything, including of course putting in the cross. Once this is all in, and I'm using this red pen just because a lot of his jacket is the color red, I'll go ahead and start marking in all the colors and adding more detail, maybe adding some of the shadows that are on the jacket. And I'll go ahead and start indicating the snow or powder using a 50% cool gray marker. And this is very loose and free, using kind of scribbly lines, kind of like you would maybe draw clouds and indicate that the powder is flying all over the place. I'll go ahead and use a little bit of dark gray to begin with as well for the shadow, and start using the red pen again to indicate the darker areas of the jacket, as well as obviously to indicate the color of the jacket, because most of the jacket is actually red. And you can see here that I'm just using a very carefree, loose, sketchy drawing technique or sketching technique. Here I go ahead and go back to my black pen and more or less finalize the sketch with the finer details, adding some more shadows, the cast shadows, say under the collar, and indicate all the folds, which will help guide me when I start using my Sharpie magic marker. So with my Sharpie, I'll go ahead and mark the black areas of his jacket, as well as indicate the darker areas of the jacket, the shadows. This is a very loose style. So then, now that we're getting close to finishing up the sketch, I'll go ahead and go back with my pen and finalize all the details, add a few more details, sharpen some edges, and maybe add some gray tones like in the gloves. And also kind of do some very rough outline of the powder just to give us a little bit more shape, but keeping it very loose to show a lot of movement. And that's pretty much it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you got a little something out of this short time-lapse tutorial. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.